So guys, today in this video I'm going to tell you how to install Python to run Python code on your system. So guys, if you are new on channel, please subscribe to our channel and like the video. So let's start the video. So first of all guys, we have to visit the official website of the Python. So open the Chrome browser and let's go to the official website of Python. So type Python only and just enter. So the first link will be the official website of the Python. Just go to this website and now click on downloads. When we click on downloads, you can scroll down or you can directly click on the download latest version 3.10.5 and now scroll down and click on Windows installer 64-bit, so which is recommended. So click on this one and the installation file will be installed or downloaded. Now click on this file to open and continue the installation process. So let's open this file. So now guys, there are two options, install now and customize installation. You can click any of the options. So we are going to customize installation to avoid unnecessary things to install. So just click on customize installation. Now if you do not want to install any of these things, you can uncheck, and in advanced options you can check the option that you want and just click on install. You don't need to do anything, just click on the install button. Or from there guys, you can also add the Python to the environmental variable to run the Python code directly using the cmd command line prompt. So we are going to do it by manually. And once it is installed, now you can see right now it is installing standard libraries of Python. And once it is installed, the setup was successful visible, and now you have to verify if the Python is installed or not. So let's do that.
So guys,
now guys, we are going to verify if the Python is installed or not. So just go to the cmd and type Python only.
You have to see if the Python is installed. So type
Python and just enter. And you can see the Python 3.10.5 is installed on our system.
So now you can
you can run now Python code on your system by using the Python or cmd command prompt. So that's how you can install Python on your system. If you have any error, you can ask me in the comment section. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.